So let's proceed to the example number 1. We have 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9. Since we have the same denominator, we just simply copy the denominator 9. Then 2 plus 3. And then simplify 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then copy the denominator. So let's proceed to the example number 2. So we have 4 over 3 and then 5 over 2. As you can see, we have different denominator. So you need to find first the LCM. So what is LCM? LCM is the least common multiple. So you need to find the LCM of number 2 and number 3. So the least common of number 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And then in 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. So you need to find the same common multiple of 2 and 3. So as you can see, the first same common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. Right? 6. So to find the new numerator, you need to divide the 6 to our denominator, which is 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Then times to our numerator. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And then the 2, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And then times to 5 equals 15. So you need to simplify it. Then 8 plus 15 equals 23. Then copy the denominator. So our answer is 23 over 6. So let's proceed to our example number 4, which is the subtracting the rational numbers. So we have 7 over 3 minus 5 over 3. As you can see, we have the same denominator. So we need to copy the denominator. And then write the 7, then the operation, then 5. Then simplify it. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Then copy our denominator 3. Let's proceed to the example number 5. As you can see, we have different denominator. So our denominator is the same in our example number 2. So our LCM is 6. So we need to divide it into 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And then times to 4 equals 8. Then copy the operation. And then 6 divided by 2 equals 3 times 5 equals 15. Then simplify it. Negative 8 minus 15 equals 7 over 6. So our